Beautiful butterflies. Beautiful butterflies. खूबसूरत तितलियाँ. खूबसूरत तितलियाँ. Beautiful butterflies. Beautiful butterflies. To make your very own butterfly. To make your very own butterfly. To make your very own butterfly. अपनी खुद की तितली बनाने के लिए, आपको बनाने के लिए, all you need is a piece of paper. All you need is a piece of paper, a paintbrush, and some paint. All you need is a piece of paper, a paintbrush, and some paint. अपनी खुद की तितली बनाने के लिए आपको कागज़ का एक टुकड़ा, एक पेंट ब्रश और कुछ पेंट की ज़रूरत है. To make your very own butterfly, अपनी खुद की तितली बनाने के लिए, all you need is a piece of paper, a paintbrush, and some paint. Piece of paper, paintbrush, some paint. 1. Fold the paper in half. Fold the paper in half. Fold the paper in half. कागज़ को हाफ में फोल्ड कर दें, मोड़ दें. To make a crease down the center. To make a crease down the center. बीच में क्रीज बनाने के लिए उसको दरमियान में से फोल्ड कर दें. 1. Fold the paper in half to make a crease down the center. Open up the paper and lay it flat. Open up the paper and lay it flat. Open up the paper, कागज़ को खोलें, and lay it flat, और उसको सीधा रखें. 2. Fill in the wings with color. Fill in the wings with color. Wings. Wings में, उसके wings में रंग भरें. उसके पंखों में रंग भरें. Let dry. फिर खुश्क होने दें. On one side of the crease, crease की एक तरफ, put 2 spots of a different color. Put 2 spots of a different color. एक मुख्तलिफ रंग के 2 धब्बे लगाएं, 2 spots लगाएं. On one side of the crease, put 2 spots of a different color. One above the other. One above the other. One above the other. एक दूसरे के ऊपर. One above, ऊपर, the other. One above the other. Refold the paper and press down. Refold the paper and press down. कागज़ को दोबारा फोल्ड करें. Refold. दोबारा फोल्ड करें. And press down, और नीचे दबाएं. And press down, और नीचे दबाएं. Number 3. Open up the paper. Number 3. Open up the paper. कागज़ को खोलें. There will be 4 spots of color on the wings. There will be 4 spots of color on the wings. There will be 4 spots of color on the wings. विंग्स, तितली के विंग्स पर, उसके पंखों पर रंग के 4 धब्बे होंगे, कलर के, रंग के 4 धब्बे होंगे. यूज योर पेंट ब्रश, यूज योर पेंट ब्रश, यूज योर पेंट ब्रश. अपने पेंट ब्रश का इस्तेमाल करें, अपने पेंट ब्रश को इस्तेमाल करें. क्यों? To add a body down the crease. To add a body down the crease. crease के नीचे जिस्म बनाएं, बॉडी बनाएं उसकी. crease के नीचे बॉडी बनाएं. And to Anthony. To Anthony. To Anthony. To Anthony. सिंगुलर के लिए एंटना और प्लूरल के लिए एंटनी. एंटनी ऑन दी हेड, ऑन दी हेड, उसके सर पर टू एंटनी बनाए. हैंग अप योर प्रिंट, हैंग अप योर प्रिंट, हैंग अप योर प्रिंट, और send it to someone as a card, or send it to someone as a card. अपना उससे प्रिंट करें या फिर किसी को उसको भेज दें, कार्ड बना के भेज दें. Be sure to sign it. अपना नाम ज़रूर लिखें, उस पर अपने साइन ज़रूर करें. So that's the end of the story. Now look at the questions. What does this project teach you to make? Okay, take your time. Is it about a butterfly or a bird? A butterfly. What 3 things do you need for this project? A piece of paper. Number 2. Number 3. Number 2, a paintbrush, and number 3, some paint. A piece of paper, a paintbrush, and some paint. Which do you do first? Fold the paper or fill in the wings with color? Fold the paper or the wings with color? Would you fill in the wings or you fold the paper? Fold the paper. Are the wings at the sides of the paper or on the top and bottom? Are the wings at the sides of the paper or on the top and bottom? Okay, you know the answer? Look at the answer, correct answer. At the sides. At the sides. Okay. Next question. Where do you paint the butterfly's body? Where do you paint the butterfly's body? On the crease, on the crease, on the crease. Where do the antennae go? Where do the antennae go? Where? Body or head? Where? On the head, on the head. Name 2 things you can do with your butterfly print. What do you do? What can you do with your butterfly print? Hang it up or send it as a card. You can hang it as a picture or you can send it to a friend as a card. Beautiful butterflies. The end.